In this video, I'll show you how to find your YouTube password on your mobile. So there's two different places we might be able to find our password. The first one is just on the password manager on our mobile device. So if you're using iOS 18, then you'll actually have an application called Passwords, which is this one here. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up. If you can't find it, you can always use the search feature on your phone and just type in passwords. Then once you're inside of this app, you can use the search feature just to type in YouTube. Now, if nothing comes up for YouTube, you can always try using Google as well, as often your Google account is the same as your YouTube account. Then if you do find one of your accounts come up here, then you can just select it like so. Then you'll be able to click on the password field and that will show you the password and you'll be able to copy it as well. Now, if you can't find your YouTube password inside of here, the next place to look is on an internet browser. So I'm just going to open up Safari and make sure you're logged in to your Google account. Then from here, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select Manage your Google account. Then from this navigation, scroll across and select Security, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page, and where it says Password Manager, click on Manage Passwords. Now this is another place you might be able to find your YouTube password. So using the search box, once again, just type in YouTube and see if you can find it inside of here. And it's as simple as that, guys. Those are the two places you can find your YouTube password on your mobile. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.